Hello fam, yeah, today let me show you Jordan 10 retro ice blue. Okay, the shoes features white, blue, light navy blue and light blue color. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, all are made of the white color. First grade, yeah, real leather, really good and soft leather. And the quarter and the time made of the yellow color, navy blue color leather. Okay, the back view with the color Craftmanship logo and body stitching. Okay, here's the wiping, yeah, the wiping on the ice there and on the thumb. Yeah, Jordan 2-3 and post logo on the thumb. And then the navy blue color shoes lace, navy blue color tongue lining and the collar lining. Here's the Jordan label on the tongue lining. Okay, navy blue color inner sole with red color Craftmanship logo on the inner sole. The white pure midsole, navy blue and light blue color rubber outsole with the red Craftmanship logo on the rubber outsole. Yeah, the shoes come with the original Craftmanship shoes box. Here's the box label. Yes, you can see. Yeah, the shoes looks really nice. So if you like length, you can place your order on my site flycakes.net, or you may contact me by my WhatsApp